In this video demonstration, we're going to review Webex Contact Center Supervisor Desktop. It features all of the same functionality as the Agent Desktop, but includes additional tools for supervisors to see reporting, as well as tools to manage and monitor the agent base. The Team Performance button shows the agents, and the supervisor also has a Recordings button that shows all of the inherent call recordings for Webex Contact Center. In this part of the demonstration, we'll show you some of the tools for agent state, as well as direct messaging, and this icon for review and monitor. When using this button, the review and monitor, the supervisor can start a monitoring session, and the information for the agent's active call will be shown on the supervisor desktop, and a supervisor can barge into the conversation. Supervisors will also have access to enhanced reporting with Cisco Webex Analyzer. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, feel free to reach out to Workflow Concepts.